If you're feeling crappy, you have a lot of excuses, or you're lazy, tired, try and do something out of the ordinary. Hello, YouTube. How are you guys? Sorry, my cat's attacking my leg. I'm eating pure sugar. I just came in from a run / walk. I want to talk to you guys about getting out of your normal routine. I don't normally go out to run as like a hobby or anything. It's not my thing. Sassy, stop. Sorry, my dog's, yeah. She's complaining. But yesterday I was feeling kind of down a little bit. I felt like I wasn't really getting anywhere and I felt like stuck in a routine. So I decided that today I would set up a whole list of things in my Bujo, a bunch of tasks, and not just like general tasks, but step-by-step tasks, seeing if that's something that might help me get some stuff done, because I felt like I was just skipping over certain tasks or getting lazy, right? And I figured that I would try this out instead to see if it makes a difference, and maybe from now on, please ignore my dog. Sassy, come here, my love. Come here, I'm a jerk. Give me 5. Give me, good girl. Whew. This is what I decided to do. Can you see that? Can you see that? Lots of tasks. So I wrote everything down one by one, like every little step. Wake up, do my morning routine, brush my teeth, do my laundry, like every little step that I needed to do today. And my goal is to just finish up the whole day. I've been using the Forest app. I'll link it down below. It's pretty cool. It's like a little game sort of. Every time you finish a task, I'm out of breath. Every time you finish a task that's like 10 minutes long, you get like a bush in your forest, and then if you do like half an hour or an hour, you get a tree that grows. And if you get on an app that's on the blacklist that you choose, then the tree dies, unfortunately. So I've been doing pretty good, and every time I'm doing a task I just hit that, and I've been creating my forest, and it's kind of fun. It's just like a little game it's a visual thing, so if I see that there's a lot of trees there, I know that I'm being productive. Hopefully being productive and not just being busy. I felt like if I broke it all down, I would do everything. And so far I'm doing pretty good. So the reason I'm talking about this is because I felt like going for a run, doing something I do not usually do, doing something out of the norm, would kickstart me into gear and give me some energy. And I think it's worked. I have a ton of energy. I'm awake. I've been pretty tired these past few days, and I might look it now, but I'm pretty energized, and I'm confident that I'm going to get all that done, which is exciting, including some videos like this one. So what I would suggest to you guys, if you're feeling kind of in a slump and like you can't get some stuff done, or you're making excuses, like I've put up really large walls. Look at those. Oh my god. Just kidding. This poor little pimple. Anyway, I used to do CrossFit. They were so much bigger. I need to get back into that. Anyway, sorry. I'll stop. As you can see, I have a lot more energy than usual. And I would suggest that if you're feeling crappy, you feel like you have a lot of excuses, or you're lazy, you're tired, try this. Try and do something out of the ordinary, like something that'll wake you up and get you excited and whatnot, just something different than the usual. I believe Tony Robbins talks about doing something extremely out of the ordinary, like extremely silly. If you're really feeling low and not in the mood, get up and like scream silly, crazy words that don't even make sense, something you normally wouldn't do, and do like crazy dance, and it will randomly, it'll energize you for some reason or another. I'll look more into it. If you guys are interested in learning more about these like techniques like this, just let me know in the comments below. But I do know that for me, when I get in a slump and feeling kind of crappy, if I do something out of the ordinary, it tends to pick me back up, right? Especially if it's exercise, obviously, or something that'll get your heart pumping. That's why people do rebounding in the morning, where they have like this tiny, it's like a tiny trampoline, that they jump on and do like affirmations on and whatnot, and they just get amped up. It helps you to get motivated and excited for the day and get your blood running and like you energized. So that's my tip for the day. Definitely worked for me. You guys should try it out, even if it's just for a day. And hopefully this helped you out. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button and the little bell. Come on, hit the bell just for these. What? Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it wasn't that annoying, but you're here, this is what you get, you know. I love you guys.